Papers and papers. Can we do anything without a paper trail these days? Look at this nightmare. Wow, I got a handful of work to do here.
Much later.
It is time to show you the disaster of our bathroom. The disaster is all in the sink here. Needs my attention. Hoy abe. But that is not the only thing. I have been wanting to organize these drawers for a long time. And I think today is the day. I'm kind of excited to tackle this job because I know it's going to feel great when it's done. I'm feeling a little bit anxious because I don't know how it's going to go. Hopefully it doesn't take too much time. Usually when I get into the organization mode, it does take quite a bit of time. But I need to hurry up. It's Saturday, there's other things that need to get done, and it's about an hour till I need to start with supper. So here we go. Lots of items that I need to get rid of because I never use. I have things that I just figure, yep, let me use it. Things like little tubes that are samples from Arbonne that I have had for 5 years and just drag around every time we move. This beauty counter makeup, which is a golden color, so in the wintertime it doesn't really work. Now that I have a tan from my vacation, it might work. I'll try it. So here's a moisturizer that I never use. If I used all the facial products I have, I would look much prettier and younger, but I don't. I hardly ever take time for facials. I plan to do it more often. So let's see if an organized drawer will encourage that more. But yeah, here we go. Oh, and I almost forgot. So these are a few things that I've picked up a while ago at a dollar store. Obviously, it's not gonna be enough for 3 of my drawers here, but I will use what I can, and hopefully it will help along with some organization. First off, I am going to take everything out of the drawer, clean the drawer, and then as I am putting it back in, I will decide if it's a keep item or if I need to get rid of it. Because I can't just keep having all these products laying around that I'm never using, because it clutters my mind and it clutters my drawer and it takes away energy from my everyday life because it fills me with anxiety having all this clutter. And I am very much in the organization phase this week. I don't know if it's from just getting back from vacation or because it is sunnier outside these days because we are in spring. Maybe it's still part of spring cleaning, but hopefully this energy and stuff lasts till all of my house is organized, because there's a lot of work to be done until I have everything the way I want it, organized and decluttered. So yeah, drawer number 1 is empty. On to the next one. Alright, the 3 drawers are empty. Now I need to clean them. They're so gross. Have you ever heard the saying of things have to get worse before they get better? I don't like this part, but it is knowing that when it is done, it's gonna feel so amazing. So I'm gonna keep plugging at it. This is gross and I should probably not be sharing this. But I have a question and I want some answers. How do you clean your brush? My brush very easily gets this dirty, even if I try to keep it in the drawer so it's not supposed to get dusty. So I'm guessing my hair has dust or whatever that is from pillows or blankets. What is a quick and easy way to clean this? Because right now I'm going to sit here and pick at it with a tweezer, and you can imagine how well that is going to work and how long that's going to take. I've tried Q-tips, I've tried toothpicks, I've tried soap and water. I just haven't figured it out yet. Now you know. Hope I'm not the only one. Can't wait to hear some answers. It is done. Why do I procrastinate so long to get it done? I don't know. It's almost like I rob myself of the good feeling that I have right now, that it's complete. So all the makeup product is in the back. Toothbrushes and all those things are there. My man's drawer. Men always only need one drawer. Why can't women be that simple? And then I have a whole other, got some mousse, hairspray, deodorant, dry shampoo. I am happy that it is done. The counter is cleaned off, and I got some things up there which are brand new and I hope to get in the habit of using. Thank you all for watching, and comment on how you organize or what your tricks are, and don't forget to give the answer about the hairbrush cleaning, because I even tried a vacuum now and it still doesn't work well. So hopefully something will come along so I don't just have to chuck a brush that still works well, just needs cleaning. See you later.